Good evening to all of you.
Yes.
Good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss about the statistics. So here we have the syllabus on basic statistics. Yeah, good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss about the basic statistics. So in the basic statistics, we have the concept like data collection, tabulation, classification, then interpretation, and also the charts, diagrams, and graphs. Then how to measure the data by using measures of central tendency and also the measures of dispersion. And also we have the concept of correlation regression. So how to find the correlation value and also the regression value for the given data. So now we can go for our syllabus. So this is the slide we have the statistics. So first we have the definition of statistics. The word statistics is used to, or the word statistics is used in two senses, namely singular and plural. In a narrow sense and plural sense, statistics denotes some numerical data. In a wide and singular sense, statistics refers to the statistical methods. Therefore, these have been grouped under two heads like statistical as data, statistics as methods. Generally, we can define the term statistics based on the given important 5 steps. Like we can represent the data collection, classification of data, tabulation of data, interpretation of data or analysis, then the conclusion. So in general, the data is classified into two types. The first one is primary data and another one is secondary data. The primary data is nothing but it is original data or actual data. Or first time we have to collect the data. That means the primary. To collect the primary data, we have 4 methods like direct personal observation, indirect oral interview, information through agencies, and also the mailed questionnaire method. So the secondary data is nothing but it is already collected data or old data. That means here we can refer or we can define the secondary data are those data which have been already collected and analyzed by same earlier agencies for its own use, and later the same data are used by different agencies. The various sources of secondary data can be divided into two broad categories like published sources and also the unpublished sources. So the next one is classification of data. Basically, we can classify the data in the following 4 types. The first one is geographical classification. The second one is historical classification. The third one is qualitative classification and also the quantitative classification. Okay. So next we have some important area, that means tabulation of data. How to tabulate our data. Here we have some procedure to tabulate the data or tabulate our data, right? So here we have some definition and also the main objectives of the tabulations. The main objectives of the tabulations are, the first one is to clarity the object of investigation. The second one is to simplify the complex data, to present fact in minimum of space, then to facilitate comparison, to facilitate statistical processing, and also to keep references. So these are the main objectives of the tabulation. So the next one is we have the important area, that means diagrams and graphs. So the diagram, that means graphical representation of the data. Diagrams is nothing but, so it is a graphical representation of the data. So here we have 5 types of the diagrams, like 1-dimensional diagram, 2-dimensional diagram, 3-dimensional diagram, pictogram, and cartogram. So this is a 1-dimensional diagram. So in 1-dimensional diagram, the length of the lines or basis is considered and the width of the basis is not taken into the consideration. That means the term bar means a thick wide line. The following are these main types. The first one is line diagram. We have some examples to draw the line diagram. So the next one is graphic representation. A graph is a vivid or intense or bright from the presentation of the data. So it is a simplest comments aid to numerical reading, which gives a picture of the numbers in such a way that the relations between the two series can be easily compared. So we have some advantages. That means the first one is it provides an attractive and impressive view. The second point is it is simplifies complexity of the data. Simplifies complexity of the data. The last one is it provides easy comparison of 2 or more phenomena. So these are the important points in the basic statistics. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.